wish you could see what I see. I'm late, you find me so timely. I'm lost, baby, come be.
Hey guys, it's Mary, and in today's video I am doing a Tide Pod inspired makeup tutorial. Totally a joke, I just thought it would be really funny to do. Today's look is just kind of like a swirl in the middle with some of the box shades on my lid. Hope you all enjoyed today's video, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'll have all my social media links down below, like my channel on Instagram, so you should go follow me on there, and let's just hop into the video. I already have my lids primed and pretty much all my face makeup done, just because we'll be focusing on the eyes. For the eyes, I'm going to be doing more of the box colors, if that makes sense, instead of actual like swirls on my eyes. So I'll be using the Morphe 35B palette, and first I'll be taking this bright orange shade right here, and I will be taking the Morphe M433 brush, and I'll be taking that orange shade halfway through my lid.
You're like a wave washing over me. I'll stay.
I will be taking this matte light green shade right here, taking the Morphe M505 brush, be focusing that on my outer corner and then blending that inwards. Taking a small flat brush, the center of my lid. Instead of doing like two like swirls, I'm just going to be doing kind of like one big swirl, if that makes sense. I'm just going to start right around here. I'll kind of just make an arch.
Covered in your water.
So then I'll be taking a white color from the 35B palette. It's just a matte white shade, and I'll be taking the same brush and just packing white right on there. But then I'll be taking electric blue shade right here, and I'll be putting that on my lower lash line. And for lashes, I will be using the Ardell Demi Wispies. Hope you all enjoyed today's video of this Tide Pod inspired look. I thought it would be just funny to do. It was kind of a joke when I thought of the idea, but I decided to film anyways. And I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'll have all my social media links down below, like my Twitter and Instagram, so you should go follow me on there, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.